3位。Here we are at Red Barn Factory and the tour, and Olivia is going to get her DIY class. This is super cute. It's an elevator.
等一下你们回来5楼的时候，这边是那个星光隧道，然后这边是随身包生产线，这边是罐装生产的服务姿势，还有我们的那个抱枕的陈列，然后你们也可以站在杯里面这么做拍照，有幸福的寓意哦。
Go back over there. Yes. Now we're gonna do the second one. That's the black bean. Potato. So we did the black red bean first, and the second we're doing the black bean because the black bean has more grace. So you wanna do the middle, and then now you're gonna do clockwise. Yes, clockwise.
Look at all the grains! Well, like cat grains. Yum, 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 yum. And here, look at these things. I'm not sure what they are, but maybe iron? Maybe something inside the grain?
All the different grains.
Red lentils.
How do you say red lentils in Chinese?
Olivia, that's the thing I was grinding earlier.
Yeah, you did this one.
Looks like this is a game of guess what's on the wall. Let's see. Corn. Corn in Chinese. Let's see. I'm guessing black bean. Oh, it's actually a black soybean. Heidou in Chinese. Do you know why a green bean's color is easily turning red after cooked and it's not green? Oh, do you know why mung bean changed color into red after boiling? I guess this is soybean. What about you?
No, that's definitely not soybean.
What do you guess it is then?
Anything but a soybean.
But that's not an answer. I guess this is the red bean. What about you?
Red bean. 红豆.
And kuji bean, also known as the red bean. Oh. Yay, so it's actually a kuji bean, but it's also called a red bean. Let's see. Sunflower seeds? They look like a sunflower seed. What about you?
Purple rice.
Blackberry.
K9.
What's this?
Chopped ham.
No, it's not chopped ham.
Kutan.
Kutan? I don't know, so. Oh, it's actually yam. Who can tell that's yam?
See, I was right.
Okay, let's see this question. Is the sesame seed the same value as a cow? Let's find out. Because, well, it could be if they are that valuable. Let's find out. Do you know if the sesame is equally the value of a cow?
那这边上面的大章鱼啊，它在做的是焙炒的动作，就是我们要吃豆子之前呢，都要先把它炒熟。那把全部的豆子都炒熟之后呢，它就会再滚下来，然后用中间的机器把它磨成细细的骨粉，然后配成骨粉之后呢，就会做混料。混料就是你可以看你喜欢吃什么口味，或是依据不一样的配方，把它组合成你喜欢的样子。 那之后在下来这里呢，它就会进行一个装袋的作业。那装袋完呢，就是把它包装成小包小包的，或者是大罐的那种包装，然后之后呢就可以装到箱子里面。那最后就可以送给大鳄鱼吃哦，而且跟我们的工厂一些公司的作业的流程是差不多的。
So these are the grains that used to be beans that I ground yesterday. So let's try them. One pack, one pack, one pack. So in these grains are red beans, black beans, and green beans. So in the mixture, we'll find out what it tastes like. Alright, pour. That should be enough. Mix. Smells kind of weird, but let's see the taste. Ah, hot. Okay, let's wait a little. Okay, now it's cooled off. Let's try it. Interesting. Not bad. It's kind of different than normal soup.